Jehovah, you are my defender. When you stand for me, no one can stand against me. Some battles are too great for these hands. Some mountains are too high to climb. I've reached the end of my own strength. Now I look to you alone. When my enemies surround me and fear knocks at my door, I remember who you are, the mighty man of war. I will not be afraid, I will not lose heart. The battle is not mine, the victory belongs to God. When the Lord takes up my case, every chain must break, every accusation falls, every mountain shakes. When the Lord takes up my case, no weapon will remain. The judge of all the earth has spoken, and victory bears my name. They may rise against me, but they shall not prevail, because Jehovah fights for me. His promises will never fail. Vanotaura zvakaipa pamusoro pangu, asi imi munondirwira. Mosva dzose dzinopera, kana mati uyu ndewangu. Oh, who can stand against the Lord? No one. Who can silence his voice? No one. Ndiani angagunda Mwari? Hakuna. Ndiani angatima chieta chavo? Hakuna.
Every closed door shall open, every prison shall break, every delay shall end, every blessing shall locate me. Zvose zvavakanditira, Mwari vachazvishandura. Misodzi yangu ichava rwiyo rwokukunda.
African, the African praise break. The African praise break. Diani anondiwira, Diani anondiwira, Diani anondigundisa, Diani anondigundisa.
Jesus,
We shall believe the report of the Lord. The Lord takes up my case. Nothing is impossible. Every giant has to fall, because my God is able. When the Lord takes up my case, He turns my shame to praise. I'll testify forever of His amazing grace. This battle belongs to the Lord. He is my defender. He is my deliverer. The verdict is victory. The glory belongs to Jesus. Amen.